Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a very popular theme inside VS Code, which is called as Shades of Midnight. So you have seen this theme here. It has different versions as well. If you see, the very popular version is, if you see this one, Shades of Midnight Blue Dark theme. So simply click the install button. As soon as you install it, this theme will be activated. And you can see very nice syntax highlighting is there inside this theme. So you will get this nice little background color of blue alongside with nice little syntax highlighting of various files. So I personally like this theme a lot, Shades of Midnight Blue Dark theme. So if you like this theme, then definitely install and activate this. And for some projects, you may use it, especially for dark projects. You will see that. So it's a really nice extension. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.